I'm Rendell Veldstra. I'm a civilian student pilot here at Guidance Aviation. It's a lot of fun. This is it. Welcome to Guidance. After you. This is where we start our day. Yeah, we come here, definitely check the weather, last minute check the weather, look at the flight schedule, make sure we're in the bird that was scheduled for us. Weather's good, let's go pre-flight. The point of a pre-flight is to make sure our aircraft is airworthy. If we don't know our aircraft is ready to go, it's not legal to fly. Get in there, because I can't. Oh, that's the inside of the tail boom.
Drink some water, we should get out of here shortly.
The 44, it's hydraulically assisted, so for those long flights, it's a little easier to fly. And of course with the 44, you can bring people, so that's always awesome. In a couple weeks, I'm going to have the opportunity to bring my family up in a 44. I mean, that's going to be pretty special. The purpose of today was to take my dad out for a flight. It was really rewarding and special to share my skill that I could do.
Guidance 42 over the Lone Tree, heading out to Verde. Guidance traffic.
Rendell took me for a helicopter ride. It was a real special time. It was calm, tame, and composed and professional. It was just what we would expect from a professional pilot.